Understanding why regular checkups can make your HVAC unit last longer. Are you wondering how you can keep your HVAC system running at its best during Florida's changing temperatures? Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your unit runs efficiently and reliably year after year. Without routine maintenance, dust, dirt, and debris can clog your system, leading to strain on components and costly breakdowns. Here's how HVAC maintenance can make your unit last longer. Clean filters and coils allow your unit to work less, preventing overheating and reducing wear. Early detection of minor issues during checkups prevents costly, larger repairs down the road. Condensate drain cleaning and treatment to stop water leaks. Routine maintenance is a small investment with huge returns. Call weather engineers today at 904-593-3721 to schedule your appointment or to enroll in our Comfort Club and enjoy 20% off repairs.